Today I've just come to share with you a present that I received. I was away at the weekend and I went to Cornwall and I met up with ARTYmaze, who is Andrea, and we had a right good giggle and I posted some pictures on Facebook. And at the end of the evening she gave me a present, and there's more to it, but this which I've been dying to open, because she's obviously wrapped this up for me, and I suspect it's a journal and it feels really heavy and I'm just so excited to get into this. So yeah, I got this on Sunday and it's now Tuesday, and you can imagine like the anticipation of getting home and getting into my shed to actually open this up and see what it is. So yeah, I had a right good giggle with Andrea. She is such a lovely bubbly person, and yeah, I met her husband as well, and he's really funny. So yeah, that was a good giggle. Love this tissue paper. Oh, it's just getting ripped now. I'll be able to salvage some of it for something. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh, that feels lovely. This is from the, is this the iris journal that you've done? I'm asking like you're going to answer me right now, but that feels amazing. There's fabric, there's lace, there's hessian. She's done some stitching. I love this rosette trim. The cheesecloth in the background. There's a hitch post here and some seam binding, which obviously closes it. Let's go inside. Wow. Note on the back. Alright, there's a note on the back, so I'll read that later. Got our pocket in here. Just making sure I'm in frame. Oh wow, that is so pretty, and I love these little tickets. Wow, I think these might be, are they your digitals? No, she's got tons of digitals. Wow, that is so nice. I love the lace and the pom-pom trim. So nice to have a piece of her work. I think this might be her eco dyeing, I think. Oh wow. Got a belly band, a little paper clip. She's probably got a full flip through of this. I know actually she has. A rusted paper clip. Lots of stitching going on in this. Oh wow. Oh, this is one of her what do you call it? Oh, her own envelopes that she's decoupaged and inked up and stamped, and I think she's run that through a typewriter. Wow, that is so lovely. It feels good as well. Isn't it funny how we like the feel of things? Some more ephemera there, and this. Look at that tag, that's gorgeous. I'm just going to get that off to have a right peek. Oh, that feels lovely. Oh, and it's got inky bits on the back. Wow. Thank you so much, Andrea. Little envelope. Oh, it's just stuck down there. It says fragile. I don't know if that's washi or just part of a ticket. Love that lace. Very nice. Love the envelope as well. I'm not going to open everything up, but she has got a flip through of this. Oops, that's all paper clipped on. We've got some ephemera there and another tag, and we've all seen her make these tags. She's so talented. A little pocket there. Oh, I like that. I think that's from the die, the die set that she got. she showed in one of her videos. Sorry, I'm just so quiet because I'm taking it all in. Some gesso on there. You've got to laugh at Andrea. Add some gesso. I've often wondered how many times she says the word gesso. Tags in here, that's a good idea. Another tag on there, love that washi tape. I'll post in frame. I've moved my camera to a different angle. Got another little pocket there. And she did actually say where she got that die set from. I actually watched her make this. Love the is that like tracing paper or waxy paper? Little paper bag. Love all these little clusters. Centre of the signature. Oh, that's so nice. This will be another one that I'll just sit and flip through. I often do that with the journals. Look at all these little tickets, they're lovely. These are digitals from Andrea's shop, I do believe. Oh yeah, when I met Andrea, it was so weird because we weren't quite sure what we looked like. You know, it was like, is that her? Is that her? And my husband and my son said, well, what does she look like? I went, I don't know, I only see her hands. So that was quite funny. They just burst out laughing. They went, so she could actually stand you up. She might see you and think, oh, I don't like the look of her, and you get stood up. That's what they said to me. Oh, this is so lovely. I love that eco paper. Love them tags. I have them. Another big pocket from that die. Wow. And this is a tuck spot. Like all the little fibres and things. Another pocket's there. I like that paper on the background there. Handmade by ARTYmaze. It's another cherished journal I have. And I'm going to show you. Thank you so much, Andrea. That is absolutely gorgeous, and I love that. I don't know if anyone else does that. They like hold their journals and they just really like the way they feel. I know we're all crazy. She gave me a big bundle of these bags, that block bottom bags. So I've got tons of them. And funny enough, I just got some as well to make my like journals in a bag. So Andrea, did you do them yet? I know that I challenged you to make them. And oops, I've just started a video then. I was watching a video before I started this. If anybody hasn't gone and watched it already, it's the Firefly Studios 67, and it's her Flutter journal. So I was just in the middle of watching that. Love these little glassine bags. Love the noise of them. And she gave me a ton of paper bags. Love the Union Jack ones. Love these. These are going to look nice, coffee dyed. Thank you so much. And I like these. I like the colour of them. And she gave me this lovely material. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's really thick. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. There's going to be a few journals made out of that. Thank you so much. She gave me a bunch, nice big bundle of file folders. So again, great fun with them. And some of this lovely lace. I'll show you some of it. Look at that, isn't that lovely? Which I do like lace. I got loads and loads of it, and do you know what? I rarely use it because I'm scared to use it in case I can't get it again. Isn't that silly? That's pretty. Oh, it's all pretty. Oh, I like that. That's very nice. Hope you can see that. thank you so much, Andrea. That's very, very kind of you. That's pretty. Some more of that. And oh, I thought that was one big bundle then. And that's pretty. Thank you. There's loads of that one. Wow, thank you so much. And this, isn't that pretty? And that. And this. So that is what I got from Andrea, and this was what the journal was wrapped in. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And like I said, it was so lovely to meet you, Andrea. And the next time I'm down in Cornwall, we'll meet up again, and we'll spend more time together, because I didn't actually spend that much time because we were only down there for like a long weekend, and it went by so quickly. But yeah, it was definitely fun to meet Andrea, and we just done nothing but giggle and laugh, so that was good. So if you go and check Andrea's channel out, you will see you'll see how she made all of this. Actually, I think she done like a step-by-step, and like how she done all the pages and a lot of the embellishments that she done. She showed how to do, and then she done the final flip through of it all. So she is very talented. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.